Hello everyone, welcome back to the Flaming Dev YouTube channel, where I do free Roblox scripts that I give to you and expect nothing in return. Except liking and subscribing, of course. Okay, so let's set this up real quick. What you'll need to do is get the VModel script. You can either download it from the Discord, or I should have a link in the description with the Roblox model. You can just click get and have it in your inventory. So if you did that for Discord, just right click, go to insert, and you're going to click on insert from file, and it should, once you find your file, you just double click it and it will be put in your workspace. Or the other option is you can go into your backpack and you can just drag it into workspace. Once you have it, make sure it has the spray module in it, everything's set up like this, must be like that. Just go ahead and drag this into replicated storage, and then if you ever need to edit any settings, it'll be at the top of the script right here, and depending on what time you're watching this, might have more settings or maybe less settings, but probably more. And I'll probably have this all documented by the time the video comes out, but that's the basics. Now, to actually make this work, we have to use a local script, because this uses object-oriented programming, which is not that hard really in my opinion. I just learned it like literally a year ago, but I think I understand enough to explain it to you guys. So basically, we're going to create a local script in our starter player scripts, and we'll name this the ViewModel, and then just add a vector 3 value into the ViewModel like this, and we'll just name this offset. Once you got that done, we're going to have to actually code it in. So we're actually have to get, so you have to get the reference for the ViewModel script and then require it. That's how module scripts work. So, but just search it up. There's a couple videos that are really good on it. Let's start. All right, and this should just work. So if we start getting up, if I didn't do anything wrong, it should have a ViewModel. As you can see, I'm lagging. Nice little ViewModel. It's a little bit of sway when you look around, and yeah, it's way better. Back then, it used to like, I'll show a clip of what it looked like, but it used to like flop all around, but now it's a kind of like a sine wave, and yeah, it's nice and smooth. You can change the speed with that value I said. You can aim, but that's the aiming has to be done in your gun model. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, third person up and down. This smooth turning is my character controller if you want it. But yeah, be good. So let me show you the script. I'm not gonna. This is pretty easy. So if you want to aim, you just have to get your offset value and you have to tween it. So that's all I did. Where's it at? There we go. I just tweened the offset value to the number. And if you need to find out what the value should be, if you want to find out what the value needs to be, like if you're in game trying to figure out what the aim value should be, what you can do is go on first person here, aim it like the center or something so you have a good point of view. Press your Windows button, get out of the stupid first person view, and you can go to your player or wherever you put the offset value, and you can change this right here. So I can do like -2, 1, and it's pretty easy. That's how I do it, at least. There's probably a better way to do this, but I just strive for the most simple ways to do things, and this is it. But as you see, yeah.